In today's video, I will teach you how to fill a specific area with transparency in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Photopea website. Then go to File, then Open, and select the image that you want to work on. The image will open in the workspace. Now, depending on your image, select an appropriate selection tool to isolate the area that you want to make transparent. You can use a rectangular or elliptical marquee tool for simple geometric selections. And you can use the lasso tool or polygonal lasso tool for freehand or polygonal selections. You can use the magic wand tool for selecting areas of similar color. And you can choose the quick selection tool for selecting objects quickly by painting over them. Now click and drag or paint depending on a tool to select the area of the image that you want to fill with transparency. If your image has a background layer, you'll need to unlock it first. In the Layers panel, double-click on the background layer to unlock it, turning it into a regular layer. And once your area is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will fill the selected area with transparency. After deleting the selected area, simply go to Select, then Deselect, or simply press Ctrl D or Command D to remove the active selection. If you need smoother edges for transparent area, you can add feathering to the selection before deleting it. To do this, go to Select, then Modify, then Feather, and choose the feather radius. This will soften the edges of your selection. If there are rough edges left behind, use the Eraser tool or simply press E on your keyboard to manually clean up the edges and create a more polished transparent area. And once you're satisfied with the transparent area, save your image in a format that supports transparency, for example PNG. To do this, go to File, then Export As, then choose PNG, then adjust any export settings, then click Save. By following these steps, you'll be able to fill specific areas with transparency in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.